Hi guys! Today I want to show you how I create my painting with iPad. I use the app Procreate. This app has many tools for artists. For example, you always can choose the instrument for your painting. Ink or pencil or different textures or watercolor, different options. For example, ink. Brush. And choose red color. You always can choose the size or the brush opacity. Or if you don't want this picture, you can erase. Let's see how I created my painting with iPad Pro.
Waiting on the edge of this moment, holding out for something golden. Found a light on a hill. I was waking up, looking for peace in a world that's divided. Gotta hold on tight when you find it. I was turning around, I was waking up. You're pulling me right in, rotate to you again. I'll live the rest of my life by your side. I wanna stay here forever, playing it all like the radio. Don't see how it could be better. All I know is don't let go. Stuck in a head rush about it. We're spinning fast, we're moving slow. I don't know how, but we found it. Something supernatural. The space between us, it feels like home. You feel like home wherever we go. The space between us is a place to rest your bones. It feels like home, supernatural. One look in your eyes and I find it. When you leave in my mind, I rewind it. When you got it this good, you don't fight it. When you're with me, nothing else matters. On gray days, I live in your laughter. I collide with your heart, I'm seeing stars. I let go of the past, I know this too shall last. Now I've been waiting all day to let you know that I wanna stay here forever, playing it all like the radio. Don't see how it could be better. All I know is don't let go. Stuck in a head rush about it. We're spinning fast, we're moving slow. I don't know how, but we found it. Something supernatural. The space between us, it feels like home. You feel like home wherever we go. The space between us is a place to rest your bones. It feels like home, supernatural. Wait for me. Keep watching you when you leave. Something new. Keep hoping you feel